Hello, 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 hello. Hello. How's everyone doing today? I'm Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy, and it's time for Mystery License Plate Package 318. I don't know why, but I like the look of this one. Feels like a gooder. Sounds like a rectangle. Feels like a rectangle. Smells like a rectangle. You guys enjoying this mystery plate package? 318. If you're not already there, go to YouTube. Find all the special features, bonus content, anything extra we can find out about this license plate. If you're just somewhere else on social media, it's all good. Enjoy the show. I'm only the crazy license plate guy, and I'm losing my mind. 318, huh? They're always upside down. What's going on? Arizona. Clean air, blue skies, alternate fuel. I have a flat one of these, but not the embossed one, so that's a pretty cool addition. Went on like an electric car, or a Tesla, or a, I don't know, something. Alternate fuel. It's pretty cool. I like that one. We're going to climb right up here and put it underneath Indiana. So it just looks like a good place to be, doesn't it? Arizona, Indiana. I wonder if we can find any other alternate fuel plates out there. Maybe so, maybe so. This mystery license plate package, 318. And again, I'm Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy. And it's time for the special features to go journey in the clouds of Arizona. So that's where I'm heading. Woo! Special features time. Mystery license plate package, 318. Alternate fuel, Arizona. How cool is that? You got your like electric car, or your hybrid, or your water car, or your Flintstone mobile. I don't know, whatever it is. It's alternative fuel. So you get an alternative plate. Found a couple of these. Arizona has a flat one like this. Flat. It's always boring, I know. But they also got a handicap embossed one like this. Kind of cool. You think the wheelchair gets the license plate? It's alternative fuel, right? And we got another flat one. Check that out. Personalized. Plug her in. Plug her in. Utah has one. Clean fuel. Clean air. Little C on there. Kind of looks like a hockey team logo or something like that. And Georgia. Georgia's got a couple. An embossed one. It's got that cool little green leaf on there with a highway going through it. And a flat one. That's all I can find, though, for alternative fuel. I'm sure there's electric vehicle plates and hybrid plates and all that. But for alternative fuel, we got Arizona, we got Georgia, and we got Utah. Utah is the best one. Maybe. I like the clouds in the Arizona one. It's kind of cool, right? What do you guys think? Special features, 318. Alternative fuel. I couldn't find much else, so that's all you get to see. Yeah, maybe we'll make some clouds float around or something, make it feel all clean in here, but alternative fuel, that's all you get. I'm Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy. Have an awesome day, awesome week, awesome year. Drive an electric car, drive a hybrid, clean the air, clean the environment, get into trouble, throw some trash out the window, do whatever you want, it's your life. But hit that subscribe button. I'm Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy. I'm out of here. Woo! Shout out again, Alpka.org, for hooking me up with some sweet pictures. Their archives are just flooded with them. There's all kinds of gold and awesome stuff in there. So become a member today. Check it out. Alpka.org. The website's flying there in front of your face. So go check it out. Tell them Wooly sent you. Anyways, this is Mystery Plate Package Special Features 318. And I'm out of here.